Kam Meghalaya bat ke Assam gila rai bagi nya pendek shua ya ki hendru teli ki jaka na ki khat arteli ki badan hapren ki kedi hapren kedi ki arteli ki jela ya kedi karai la shem ha ka jengelang jong ki angot ki menteri rang ba kabla long mentak kasengi hanang ba gawhati hadien ka jak kan puot kabla ne kumbakat to kan ni kenta ha be kren ba kila pathai ke bor hadien balawai kan ni ka jengelang na kalyang jo ki menteri rang ba kilong ba kini hendru teli ki jaka banya pendek kilong ki bakham suk kat bahan tuli ki pat kilong ki bakham ya ka badan kam ban wat shua ya ka history leni ya ka badan kam na ban penbaik iki haga juga pot kelara ru bakanya kenduk biang hadin live husngi bat kat barang ya kini ki live husngi ki regional committee ki ban khli da ki cabinet minister kenya penbaik hala ke jong ki district bat kum diuru hala ke jong ki jenla ki badan kini ki jaga badan ki kini kini ke jelang kelara ru ba Himanta Biswa Sarma menteri rang ba jong ka Assam bat Konrad Sangma metri nama jaga Jalan Meghalaya kini ban jengo alang ya ka langpi hakin digisi ke banwan naga bata banwan ra ya ka jing sngan ba ka jing sangsuk yang ki pat ba haga tiga thai.
Within these 30 days, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will also be making some visits to some of the areas of differences also in order to give a positive message to the people and to show our keenness and willingness to move forward to finding a solution to this very, very important and long-pending difference and dispute that the two states have. Once that these 6 disputes are resolved, gradually we will move to the other 6 places. But in the meantime, as a measure of goodwill, we have decided that Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will go to Lampi also once, so that the people are actually can be feel assured that we are going to resolve the complicated issues also. It is not that we are not going to resolve the complicated issue, but we'll start from less complicated issues and we'll move towards more complicated issues.